Okay, she'll be seeing the Google Live feed, so I think we can continue. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, can everyone see my screen?
Image in yeah. Now.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So we were in the POS screen. Okay. What we'll do is we'll cover the POS and manufacturing alone today. We'll see the project management tomorrow. Okay. I'll show you the basic POS and the manufacturing model. Okay. So if you can see this, as I told you that in products you will have to select the list of products. I mean select the product and make
Available
it in point of sale. So it is available. Okay. Then you select the point of sale category. You can create more categories from here. Okay. So that is it. Once that is there, you can see the sessions, list of sessions that are already available. That you have started. Every point of sale is actually created as a session. Okay. So at the end of the session, all the activities are posted actually to the actual transaction table. Until then, the point of sale transactions are kept in a separate table or something. Okay, it is stored in a temporary. I mean, the transactions are not committed; they are temporarily stored somewhere, and after that, at the end of the session, then it is actually posted. Okay, let's see. Okay, actually the orders will be seen here actually. Okay, let's go to your session now. Start a new session. Okay, this will be the point of sale interface. So as I said, this is going to be touchscreen interface. Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is a touchscreen interface. This shows the category, list of categories. If you select beverages, you show the list of beverages. You select a beverage, it will add. So if you want more quantity, then you can select the quantity and increase the quantity. If you want to change the price, click and change the price. Okay, for per unit. And you add more items. That's screen. Okay, if you want to give a discount, you can do that. If you want to delete, I don't think that is delete. Probably delete cannot be probably done. Okay.
Use the delete button in a keyboard.
No. Doesn't work. Okay, so I think that actually the point of sale available in Open ERP is actually very basic. Okay, say for example, this does not support many typical point of sale activities like giving offers. Say, multiple offers will be available. Like if you buy one get one free, or if you buy something and other will be free. So those kind of facilities, many of them is not available. So point of sale as such in OpenERP is very basic. Okay, maybe it requires a lot of customization to actually give it to the public, or probably a very small shops may use this. Other than that, it's very basic. Let's go to. There is also called as bill parking option. Okay, if the customer is delaying the payment or if he wants to buy some other product, you can just click this, and then you can actually continue with the other bill. You can go back to the previous bill, and then end the payment. Say he's going to pay 100 rupees, 100. If you choose check, okay, the remaining amount comes as check. Shows remaining balance. Okay, until the amount is validated, you cannot click. Okay, so once it is validated, it is perfect. Okay, bill is printed. So this is how it enters the next order. It goes to the next order. Right, goes to the next order. Maybe you can go. Okay. All right. So this is with point of sale, and once you close the session, this session will end. Okay, and you can close the session. So after closing the session, it will show the list of, I mean, amount total transaction, and you can just validate closing and post entries. So this is where it is accounting entries are actually made. It is like, you know, day closing operation. Once you does everything, the accounting entries are posted, and now you can open another session. Okay. So this is how that, I mean, the entire session, whatever that we did, is actually created as a single point of sale order. Okay, all the items is available as in a single order for the session. Okay, so this is what is about point of sale. It has not much
Is
to.
the session like the day change in POTIS, POS?
No, it's not like the date change is automatic. I mean, you cannot control change of date or anything. Session is nothing but if there are different people. I mean, uh, yeah, it can be said as a date change also. I mean, you cannot change the date, but like say for example, at the end of the day, you will have to tell how much you have collected, right?
Yeah.
Once you can end the session for that particular day, and you can say this much amount of money I have collected, and then
Okay.
that's something like that. All right. So this is regarding the point of sale. Let's go to manufacturing. Okay. So when it comes to manufacturing, okay, let's take an example of manufacturing of a bicycle. Okay. See, when it comes to manufacturing, the things which you will be first need to know is that there are some terms called as work center, okay, routings, and then bill of materials. These are the things that you need to know. Okay. Say, for example, work center is nothing but a place uh, the manufacturing takes place. Okay. This a single work center can have multiple single machine or multiple machines or a human resource. Okay, say for example this painting workshop. Okay, the resource is actually human, not a material. Okay, and you define the working hours per week, and you give a code. I mean, this is not mandatory. And then you define the efficiency factor. Efficiency factor in the sense, say there won't be any loss in production at all. Say if you are saying that 8 hours, I mean per day, 8.5 hours to be worked, it will be 100% utilization of that particular resource. If you say 90, I mean zero point 0.9, it is like 90% of efficiency. Okay, and capacity per cycle in the sense in one single cycle, how many? Say for example, we have chosen the example of bicycle, right? In one single operation or cycle, if you can create two bicycles, then you can write it as two bicycles. Or in this example, let's keep it as one bicycle created per cycle. Okay, time of creating one bicycle will be 8 hours. So this is to run one cycle. Say it can be even two. Okay, capacity, and this can be still 8. Say for example, so in one cycle, two bicycles are created, and it takes 8 hours to create two bicycles. Okay, time before production, after production are nothing but these are added to the cycle actually calculation, which is actually, you know, for time before production is actually, you know, to setting up the machine, or time after production can be cleaning the machinery, or taking some rest or break, stuff like that. Okay, so next comes the costing information. Okay, work center product. What is the kind of product that you are going to say? Okay, so why we are adding, why we have to define this product? Let me. Okay. Say for example, paint tool. This is the paint workshop tool, and there is human material. Okay, that is enough for me. Okay, one page, 400. Okay, now you can actually create a product and assign the cost to that particular product. Why we are doing this is, say for example, if we want to see, I mean, include this particular cost of the work center as a cost as part of a sales order. If you can do, if you want to do that, you can do that. For that, we can create a product. Okay, and let me show you the existing example to be easier. Okay, now the other thing is the hours account. Actually, these are analytical accounts. Okay, which will be explained as part of accounting tomorrow. Accounting, which will be taught tomorrow. Okay, I'll explain you during that one. Okay, now this cost per hour, actually, you know, it means that how many how much amount of money is required, how much is the cost of per hour of operation of this particular cycle, I mean particular work center. Cost per cycle is to run the entire cycle, how much is going to be your cost. Okay, cycle account is costing account. There are two different of accounts. As I said, you know, analytical accounting is done actually to see how much, where all your cost went. Okay, so for that we are going to give two different accounts. Okay, this will be again explained as part of accounting. Okay, so this is where this is actually the work center, which says that this particular works. It just gives you the capacity per cycle, time taken per cycle, and how many products. Say for example, our product is bicycle, then how many bicycles can be created, and the cost for production of this particular work center. Okay, and now let's go to routings. Actually, routings is nothing but the operation, the actual operation of what are the things that needs to be done as part of the production operation. Say for example, create a bicycle. Okay, first it has to be moved to the work center. Okay, assembly work center, and then it has to be painted. Okay, so in assembly work center, you have to define two work centers for this particular operation, production of a bicycle. Okay, let's look at the assembly bicycle. Okay, now let's go to work center, assemble. Okay, here also the resource type is human, and the efficiency factor, everything is defined. You can define the cost if you want, otherwise you can just do it, and it's not mandatory. If you want the cost calculation, then you have to enter. Okay, now if you go, then the most important thing is actually bill of material. Okay, bill of materials is actually, say for example, if you are going to create a bicycle, you know, you will need several components. Say for example, these are the components that we will require to create a bicycle. Okay, what we will require is a wheel, a frame, and a bell. Okay, what we are going to do is, frame is actually bought. This is bought outside. This is also bought outside, but wheel is actually manufactured. Okay, to create to create a wheel, what we
Tire tubes. Hello.
so
Hello.
yeah, can you hear me? Okay, so these are the things that you might require to buy to manufacture a wheel. But tire, it is bought, and you buy the spokes on outside, and you buy the tubes from outside. Okay, so this is how the production of a bicycle. Okay, so what you do is, what you have to do is you have to create a bicycle product. Okay, let's go to products. let's create a product called bicycle. Okay, so this product can be sold, can be purchased. Okay, so this is a stockable product. Let it be a stockable product. Okay, say the price for this particular product is 5,000 rupees, and the procurement method is say let it be made to order. Okay, but the supply method is what? Manufacture. We are going to manufacture this product. Okay,
Okay.
hello.
Yeah.
My others. Okay, can you hear me? Follow me. Okay. Okay. You are specifying that arbitrarily that the cost of the product is, say for example, 4,000. Okay, and you are going to say it is going to take 10 days to manufacture. Okay, you don't need suppliers because this product is manufactured. Okay, now others, let's not worry about the others. Okay, I don't think we have to. Okay, now save. Okay, now that this particular product is actually it's going to be manufactured, if you try to create a, sale order, it will actually give a product procurement exception. Why? Because as I told you, for manufacturing products, I mean the products which have to be manufactured needs bill of materials to be defined. Okay, and products which have to be bought need at least one supplier to be defined. Okay, now let us go and create the other products that are required. Say for example wheel, which cannot be sold, which cannot be purchased. It is a stockable product. Let it keep it a stockable product, or okay, I mean, it's a stockable product. Or we can even say that it is a consumable product. Okay, sale price. We don't need have to give the sale price. This is make to stock or make to order. You can do anything. Let it be make to stock. Supply method is manufacture, and costing method is standard price or average price, that depends. Even cost price is not included because you are not going to sell the product. Okay, now save. Let's create the other two products. What are the other two products?
Frame.
Frame and bill. Frame cannot be sold, okay, but can be purchased. So this product is a consumable. Say that you cannot sell, so there is no that you don't need to define the sale price. Say make to stock, buy. Let it be make to order, buy. The cost price, say for example 50. Okay, click on save. Okay, now let us see frame. Okay, we have already created frame,
Bill.
right?
But we didn't
What all?
create bill.
Okay, now we have to create frame or
Bill.
what all did we create?
Wheel and frame we have created.
Okay, let me confirm that. Wheel,
Frame.
bell we did not create, right?
No, yeah. We have to create it.
Frame. Okay, let us duplicate it. Then let's say this is bell. Okay, let it be the same thing. Now save. Okay, let us duplicate this. Again, why are we not able to duplicate it? Okay, let's duplicate the product. Now let it this be uh, tire. Okay, can be purchased. This is again consumable. Save. Then let us duplicate it again. Tube,
Tube.
save. Let us duplicate again.
Spoke.
Okay, so all these products are make to order. Okay, so let us go. I mean, all these products do not have any inventory. Okay, so what are we gonna? Let us see a very basic example. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to go and post the physical inventories for all these products just to make sure that. Okay, so let's say wheel is to be manufactured. Okay, let us give only the raw materials. Okay,
Hmm.
so raw materials is frame, bell, tire, spokes, and tubes, right?
Hmm.
Frame and let's higher bell,
Tubes.
yes.
We lost the connection just before.
Okay, we were just creating the inventory. Okay, now validate and now it is posted. Okay, this is the posted inventory, right? So now we have all the products which are required, but we do not have the bill. So let us go and define the bill of material. Okay, let us go and bill of material. Let's go to bill of materials. Create a bill of material for the product field. Okay, so create the bill. You select the routing as let's create a routing for wheel routing of wheel. Say for example, if this particular operation is actually given to some other company, you can specify the location. Since it's going to be your own company, you don't have to specify. Okay, say for example, you are going to subcontract this. Okay, so in wheel we'll do only the assembly. Okay, number of cycles one. We'll mention the number of hours it's going to take. You can define the assembly workshop. Save and close. Save. Okay, and what are the components that are required? If you are going to say tube, right?
Hmm.
So to make one wheel, you need one tube. Okay, and to make spokes, it may require, say, for example, 25. Okay, and then what is what else is there?
Tire.
Tire. Okay, tire also will need only one. Okay, so now we are going to
What
say,
about rim? Without rim?
huh?
Rim?
Okay, அதெல்லாம் நம்ம இப்போ see that we did not create, so let us create. Okay, now that is it. Okay, you can actually give again efficiency factor here. If you give the lower efficiency, then it will not show the. I mean, there will be a production loss if you give the manufacturing efficiencies to a lower value. Okay, so now let's go and create bill of material for the product life cycle. Which is the one I created latest?
What? This one?
I created two bicycles. Okay, let me select this bicycle. Okay, so this is the BOM, this is the component we have to create, say the routing cycle. You already created this routing. Okay, product wheel, two wheels will be required. Bell, say one bell is required. I think then frame, and then frame, one will be required. Okay, now we're gonna say this is it, then here. Okay, now we have created all the bill of materials. Let's go and create a sales order. Say for example, now this particular product by cycle, it is actually the procurement method is make to order. Okay, so what happens is whenever we create a sales order, automatically a manufacturing order is created. Let us see that. Okay, so it will not go and check the stock, it will directly go and issue the manufacturing stock. Let us do sales. Let's go to quotation, rate quotation, customer, say for example Axelor, add life cycle, next, let us give 20, save and close. Okay, let's confirm the same. Okay, do delivery order. Okay, I think we have created a push flow so that is why it is showing it twice. Why is it showing twice? Okay, anyway, let us output to waiting output. Let us check availability. The product is not yet made, so it won't even now check availability will not work. Okay, so let us go to warehouse, procurement exception, search for bicycle, test. Okay, so it is running. Okay, now why it is running, because all the stock everything is available, so it actually is successfully running. Let us go to the manufacturing order by clicking directly from here, or you can directly go to manufacturing order and click from here also. Okay, now you have all the products. Okay, what you can do is you just click produce. Okay, it will say consume and produce, or you can see there are two different methods. Okay, you just click on produce and directly it will produce all the items. You can even give the serial number for all the products which are going to be consumed, okay, individually. And also you can say that which particular you can individually start each and every single operation, start the work center operation. Okay, I hope you can understand this. Say for example, there is going to be two different operations, right? One is the assembly and another one is painting, right? What you can do is you can start with assembly and then finish it. Okay, start. Okay, then you say finished. Okay, then you start. Okay, then you finish it. You can do this, and then if you select the manufacturing order again, you can see that it is automatically done. Okay, you don't have to produce because you individually finish both the work orders and it automatically is in the done state. Okay. Now if you go to the delivery order, sales,
Hello.
and sorry,
Yeah, Chinmay.
warehouse,
You didn't understand the previous step.
delivery orders.
Hello.
Yes,
Sir, we didn't understand that start and end that things properly.
sorry, I didn't get you.
Just before you told that something start and make it end like this.
Okay, let me explain it again. See, for each manufacturing order, sorry, this is not. Okay, see this for this manufacturing order, there are two different work center operations, right? We created two different work center operations. You remember? Okay, if you go to the routing of a bicycle, we created two different
Yes.
operations, work center operations, right?
Yes.
So there are two operations. So if you go and click on the manufacturing order, you will see that there are two different operations, right? Hello.
Yes, sir, I get it.
Yeah. So we are going to individually start the each operation, and then automatically this manufacturing order, I mean this production is done. See, instead of saying totally produced, you can individually give it to that particular factory and say that, let them say that when it is finished, and then automatically the production will be done. Correct? You can understand now, right?
But how we are,
Hello.
but how we are saying that it started and it finished? How we are thinking like that?
Sorry.
How we are when we are going to start the that things and when we are going to finish that things, that we didn't understand.
No, they have to say. I mean that it will be given to the production department. They are going to say now we are going to start. When they are done, if they are going to mark it as done.
On that same time they can mark it, or after a few days they will mark that it's end.
See, when you go to manufacturing order, okay. See, there are going to be two work orders, right?
Yes.
If you go to the work order, it will be available. Right? Each individually it will be available.
Yes. Yes.
Say, for example, let me create another manufacturing order for this. Okay, let's complete this flow. Then I'll.
No, no, can I explain, Chinmay? If I am giving you a task, when you are beginning the task, you will mark it as start.
Okay.
Okay. When you are finishing that task, you will finishing at marking as is finished.
Yes.
Yeah, that is what they are doing.
No, I'm saying that okay, means after a
So
interval time.
one task you can split multiple of a task, right? Main task can be split up into multiple of tasks.
Yes.
So you are
Yes.
giving each and every task as finished.
Okay.
So so the entire the main task will be completed when you are completing the last task of the splitter task. Okay.
Okay.
So that is what they are doing.
Okay. Okay. Yes, that was one big task there. We divided into small steps. When it is small, we can start this one end. We will do that. So then last one will be and then full process. Yes, yes. Okay, good. Okay, sir, continue.
Abul.
Okay, just a minute. Okay, actually there was one subtask. I mean, because we have to manufacture the wheel before manufacturing the cycle, right? Actually, we did not do that. I mean, actually, we directly went and this thing produced it. Okay, so let us do that now. Okay, so this is done. Now let us run the scheduler. Okay, let's go to the delivery orders. Excellent. Still waiting for availability. I don't know why. Let us go to this product. Quantity in hand is 20. Procurement is actually made to order. It's not made to stock. Okay. This actually should be able to, should not say that it is. Okay, there was another move, right? So that is why. Okay, we have to actually. there were two different modes. For this particular sale order, actually there were two different modes. Okay. Delivery order, two different moves. This is here, it is ready to deliver. Now let us deliver, and now let us go to that particular sale order, deliver. Okay, so it is an automatic step. Once it is manually I send, it is automatically sent to the customer. Okay, so now you can see that this particular sale order, it is, I mean, delivery has already been made. You can go and see the other information. Okay, it is already delivered. Okay, now you can create the invoice and you can proceed as such. Okay, so once the sale order is created, automatically the manufacturing order is created. Okay, one difference between make to stock and make to order is that if it is the product is in make to stock, then you have to set the minimum ordering rules, right? I mean, say for example, let us keep the let us check for sales products and bill. Okay, see this product, the inventory is actually 0 right now. Okay, let us set it as it is already in make to stock. Okay, so we have, let us create the order points. Let's say the minimum quantity should be 10 and maximum quantity 100. Okay, so let us go and create a sale order again for the bicycle. And let us do one thing. Okay, let's create. Let's go to the same order. Okay, let us duplicate this. Confirm sale. Okay, let's go to view delivery order. Okay, check availability. It will not work. Okay, let us go to warehouse. Sorry, not the warehouse. Yeah, warehouse. If you go to procurement exceptions, you check for bicycle test. Okay, it is already running. Make to order is already running. Okay, okay. If we start that, I mean, then actually
If the stock is already available, that
see,
then it won't make the orders.
yeah, but the thing is, since the cycle order has started running, okay, it has created an exception saying that the wheel is not available because there is no enough stock. Okay, you have to first fix this, right?
Yeah.
You have to first fix this. So what we are going to do is we are going to run the scheduler. Okay, so okay, to fix this, what we have to do is actually we have to go to the manufacturing order. Okay, there is no manufacturing order created. Why is it not running? It's an exception. Go to the wheel. Manufacture. Bill of materials already mentioned. Order process already mentioned. I think we are missing something. or probably there is some other move which has to be done. Yesterday we created a lot of that push and pull flow. So because of that, that particular order is stuck somewhere, I guess. Where can we see this? Created. Waiting another move. There is some other move that has to be done. Okay, there is another procurement. Okay, order is already generated here. I think that is some other manufacturing order. Let us produce it. Okay, confirm. Okay, let us go to the procurement exception again. Let's see the bicycle test order that we created. It is running now. Okay, let's go to the manufacturing order. Either you can click produce and directly produce it from here, or as I said, you can directly go here. There will also be work order specific to this. Say for example, if you go to manufacturing work orders, right, if you group by status, draft, there will be two work orders. Okay, assembling and painting. So we have to do this, start, finished. Okay, you can also directly go to the manufacturing order. Okay, production is started. Now it says its production has already started. Okay, and if you can go and see, this is finished. I went there and selected as finished, right? So you can directly produce, or again you can set there. Okay, now you confirm. Now you go to the delivery order and check availability. Okay, this is not available because before that, yeah, here it is ready to deliver. Click on deliver. Deliver. Ready to deliver. That's all. Okay, so are you guys able to follow me? Okay, you can actually see the cost of one particular product from here. Say for example, you go to the product and go to bicycle. Okay, you will be able to see the cost of that particular bicycle. Okay, so these are the components that are that. See, this is one thing. I mean, this is one kind of manufacturing process where you define. I mean, as per Open ERP, you define the bill of material. You know, the second level of product, right, which is the wheel, as a separate product, and you created it, right? Instead of that, what you can do is you can actually create a multi-level of component. Okay, bill of material component. Say for example, if you search for wheel, you'll find two different wheels. Okay, one is the wheel that is part of. Okay, this is the wheel that we already created. I mean, this is the this is the wheel we already created, which has tubes, spokes, and tire. Okay, this is the wheel that we created separately. But this is the wheel that is part of the bill of material component of that cycle that we created. Okay, see for example, it says that 2 units is required for to create the, say if you check the parent BOM, it says the bicycle, so it comes from the bicycle. Okay, so what you can do is you can define the components also directly here. Say for example, you can say spokes. See, for because this is for 2 units, you are going to say 50. Okay, tire going to be 2. Cube is going to be 2. Okay, now save. Okay, now if you go to the bill of material and check for the BOM structure cycle, okay, you can actually see the page. So in okay, it did not show. Okay, you can see this bell, frame, and width for wheel. There are spokes and tire. Okay, you can see the structure, right? Below wheel, spokes, tire, and tube. Okay, this also you can do. And if you going to create a manufacturing order for this product, now for cycle, right now, what will happen is it will show compute all the products that is required. Initially, when we saw it, is actually it was bell, frame, and only wheel, right? It showed the wheel, but right now it is showing all the products, and it shows only. I mean, again, these 2 were products. I mean, it does not show the wheel as a separate product here. Okay, because it is multi-level. Okay, so for example, right now since we have created multi-level BOM, there is no separate manufacturing order is created for wheel. Okay, because the components are included as part of the cycle itself.
Abul, they have dropped out just now.
Yeah. Okay, anyway, I mean, இவ்வளவுதான் actually இருக்கு. Okay.
Okay.
This is what is part. I mean, manufacturing order பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் இவ்வளவுதான்.
So remaining things will continue tomorrow.
I mean, manufacturing order நிறைய படிங்க. இது போக வந்து ரிப்பேர்னு ஒன்னு வரும். ரிப்பேர் வந்ததுனா அதான் இப்ப ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து ரிப்பேர் கொண்டு வராங்கன்னு வெச்சுக்கோங்க.
ஓகே.
அதுக்கு வந்து ஒரு ஆர்டர் கிரியேட் பண்றதுக்கு ரிப்பேர்னு ஒன்னு.
ஓகே.
என்ன ப்ராடக்ட் வேணும் அப்படிங்கறத நீ போடலாம். பார்த்தாலே உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் ஈஸியா. சோ
அதுக்கு என்னன்னா இப்போ வந்து மேனுஃபேக்சரிங் என்ன தேவையோ அதே மாதிரி ரிப்பேருக்கு வந்து அதனுடைய இன்டகிரல் பார்ட்ஸ் ஏதாவது போச்சுனா அது அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி கிரியேட் பண்ணனுமா?
அது எப்படி பண்ணனும்னா எந்த ப்ராடக்ட்ட வந்து எக்ஸிஸ்டிங் ரிமூவ் பண்ற எதெல்லாம் வந்து ஆட் பண்றேன்னு போடும். புரியுதா? ஓகே. அந்த எதை ஆட் பண்ற எதை ரிமூவ் பண்ற அந்த ப்ராடக்ட்ட கொடுத்த வந்துட்டு இப்போ நீங்க பாரு இங்க பார்த்தா ஆட்னு இருக்கு இல்லையா? ஆமா. அதே மாதிரி
ரிமூவ் அதுலயே ஆப்ஷன் இருக்கு.
ரிமூவ் கொடுத்துட்டு பெல் வந்து நான் ரிமூவ் பண்றேன். பெல்ல ரிமூவ் பண்ணிட்டு பெல்ல ரிமூவ் பண்ணிடுவேன். இது ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா டெஸ்டினேஷன் லொகேஷன் பாரு ஸ்கிராப்புக்கு போயிடுச்சு.
ஓகே.
ஏன்னா அதை நீ திரும்ப விற்க முடியாது. பட் ஆனா இல்ல நான் திருப்பி ஸ்டாக் கொண்டு போய் விற்க போறேன் அப்படின்னா நீ லொகேஷனை மாத்திக்கலாம்.
ஓகே.
புரியுதா? ஆட்னு கொடுத்துட்டு இன்னொரு பெல்னு கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா பெல் ஆட் ஆகும்.
ஓகே.
இதுக்கு நீ காஸ்ட் ஆட் பண்ண போற அப்படின்னா நீங்க இந்த காஸ்ட் இங்க தனியா ஆட் பண்ணலாம். இல்ல இங்க இருந்தே வந்து டு இன்வாய்ஸ் அப்படின்னு கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா இன்வாய்ஸ் ஆட் ஆகும். அது போக உனக்கு வந்து மத்த ஏதாவது சர்வீஸ் ஆட் ஆகுதுன்னா
இன் கேஸ் இது வந்து வாரண்டி பீரியட்ல இருக்கு அந்த மாதிரி இன்வாய்ஸ் ஃப்ரீ ஆஃப் காஸ்ட்
அது இருந்துச்சுன்னு சொன்னா இங்கே வந்து வாரண்டி எக்ஸ்பைரேஷன் டேட் காமிக்கும்.
ஓகே.
ஐ சைக்கிள்ல கொடுத்திருக்கியா? கொடுத்தா இந்த வாரண்டி எக்ஸ்பைரேஷன் வரல. ஆக்சுவலா இப்போ வாரண்டி நம்ம அங்க கொடுக்கல.
ஓகே.
4 டேஸ்னு சொல்லி. இப்போ இருந்தனா அது வந்து இங்க காமிக்கும் வாரண்டி எக்ஸ்பைரேஷன். அதாவது நீ சீரியல் நம்பர் கொடுத்தீனா எந்த சீரியல் நம்பர் நீ கொடுத்தீனா ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா வாரண்டி எக்ஸ்பைரேஷன் காமிக்கும்.
ஓகே.
எனக்கு வாரண்டி எக்ஸ்பைர் ஆகுது. அது நீங்க வந்து சேல் பண்ணும்போதே நீ கொடுத்திருந்தீனா ரிப்பேருக்கு உள்ள வருது அப்படிங்கறப்போ அது ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா ஓகேவா?
ஓகே.
யாரா இது? நோனா ஜானி நோனா. சரி, ஓகே.
ஓகே.
இதுதான் இதை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் அவ்வளவுதான். இது ஆர்டர் பிளானிங்னா வந்து உனக்கு அந்த என்னெல்லாம் நீ ஆர்டர் கொடுத்துருக்கங்கிறத இங்க காமிக்கும். ஓகே, அப்புறம் ஒர்க் ஆர்டர்ஸ் பை ரிசோர்ஸ்னா ரிசோர்ஸ் வைஸ் கேன் சார்ட்ல காமிக்கும். அவ்வளவுதான். யார் யார் எந்தெந்த ரிசோர்ஸ்க்கு எங்கெங்க இருக்கு நீங்க குரூப் பை பண்ணி ஃபில்டர் பண்ணி பார்த்துக்கலாம். ஒர்க் சென்டர் வைஸ் பார்க்கலாம், ப்ரொடக்ஷன் வைஸ் பார்க்கலாம். பார்த்தனா உனக்கு காமிக்கும் என்னென்ன ஆர்டர் எங்க எப்போ ரன் பண்ணணும். இது லைக் பிளானிங் ஸ்க்ரீன் மாதிரி பார்க்கறதுல இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் ஆகணும். அதை வந்து நீ எதுவும் பண்ண போறது இல்லை. கிரியேட் பண்ணா உனக்கு ஒர்க் ஆர்டர் நார்மலா ஒர்க் ஆர்டர் எப்படி கிரியேட் பண்ணுவியோ அதே தான். வேற எதுவும் கிடையாது. ஓகே
ஓகே. சரி, அவங்க கால் பண்ணி சொல்லிடுறேன் அப்பனா.
சொல்லிடுறேன், அவ்வளோதான். ஸோ மேனுஃபேக்சரிங் நல்லா பார்க்க சொல்லு. நாளைக்கு உட்காந்து டீட்டெயிலாக படிச்சு இது பண்ணுற மாதிரி.
ஓகே.
ஓகே.